girl, I heard that you have a closet full of basic, boring clothes, specifically tops. But I also heard that you want to upgrade those tops and make them look cute. Good decision, babe. In this video, I'm going to show you guys 8 no sew, no cut DIY/hacks to make your basic tops look cute. Hello cuties! Welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I am back with yet another DIY hack video because I want to help you girlies be crafty and creative and have fun with your fashion. I don't want my girlies to look basic. I want my girlies to look cute and adorable and fancy and look good. You know, I want my girlies to look good. Are you ready to do your DIY magic onto your basic boring tops and turn them into something cute? You know, the best part about this video is that we're not going to destroy any clothes. We are not going to cut or sew. You do not need any sewing skills for this. These are very quick and easy hacks that you can do immediately. So we're just going to upgrade the outfits, upgrade the tops. Alright, let's go. So first hack that I have is a very cute kind of coquette and extremely easy, very quick to do. I think you might have seen something similar done with ribbons on social media or somewhere because it became like a huge trend actually. But this hack is kind of a upgraded version of that. So for this, the materials you will need are a tank top, any type of lace that you like, and a pair of earrings. This hack is pretty self-explanatory, but I will still teach you how to do it. Adds like a cute pop of color and adds a texture, more of a design if you use some designed lace. First of all, just wear your tank top. Then you're gonna take your lace. You need 2 equal length of lace. Then you're gonna take your lace and pass it through the sleeve of your tank top. After that, you're gonna make a knot and then you're gonna tie your bow. Take your time and tie your perfect bow, and you're going to repeat that process on the other sleeve as well. So you're gonna make 2 bows on 2 sleeves. Then you're gonna take a pair of earring, any earring that you have of your choice that you think will go with the outfit. I will recommend that you use dangly earrings, a little bit that has a hook on it. Please use earrings with hook, no studs please, because studs have a chance of falling off, but these dangly earrings with a hook, that will stay, it will not fall off easily. Now you're just gonna take the earrings and put it through your bow, like in the middle. And that is it. Your cute coquette top is done.
You're taking me to places old and new, sweetest sound than our favorite song, and it feels like every time that it comes on.
You want your basic top back, you just take out the earring and the lace and you have your top back. It does not change your top at all. Now, I know you've had your eyes on the top that I've been wearing since the beginning. Don't worry, because I'm going to show you how you can make something pretty like this right now. We are going to bedazzle our top in this one. Originally, I wanted to make a Hello Kitty on this. I tried to make it, but I then didn't really like it. I think the Hello Kitty would look better with smaller stones. I just used the leftover stones from my last video. I showed some really cool DIYs in my last video too. So the link is here. You can go watch that as well if you want. We also bedazzled something there, so go ahead and find out. But after you finish this video, okay? So to make this, the materials that you will need are stones, fabric glue, and a top of your choice. If you want to make this, you can also make this. This is so adorable. But if you want to make something else, you can also do that. First thing you're going to do is make your design. Use a chalk or any washable ink or something to make the design onto your top. And after that, you're going to just start placing the stones with fabric glue onto your design. It's better that you use those little tong kind of things that they use to put stones. I didn't have it, so doing with your bare hands takes a little more time. All you gotta do now is let it dry and your top is done.
Oh, I don't mind a little rain on my suit. A little bit of angry makes you cute. And we've been watching this show.
Do not wash it in washing machine because fabric glue will not come off in water, at least it shouldn't, so you can still wash it pretty easily, but do not put it in washing machine. Maybe that could affect the stones or one or two might fall off, so be careful with that. Alright, moving on, babe. This hack is way more cool than it's cute. This is something that I would like to put on to my alternative or grunge girlies. Basically, we're gonna make like a chain harness kind of thing. So the materials you need for this is any basic top, chains, and earrings or safety pins. So what I did was I used 2 safety pins and put it on both of the sleeves and put the one chain on it. Then I used these heart hoop earrings and put another chain. I put those heart hoop earrings through the safety pins on both sides and put another chain. Then I just tucked in this another chain into my top and used this big, extremely big hoop earring and put 2 of the chains that I already put and put it in the middle of the hoop and then just put the hoop with safety pin onto my top and made this like kind of harness situation.
Sounding our favorite song, and it feels like every time that it comes on, we just roll on till the day's done and the lights gone.
It would give such a cool grunge look if you can style it properly, and you can just play around with it, have fun. Fashion is entirely about having fun and experimenting, right? You know, we all have those tops that fits perfectly all around the body, on your shoulders, on your arms, everything, but it's just loose on the waist part. Somehow it's just loose here. There are also some tops that gets stretched over a few wears, so after a few wear it's just weirdly loose on your waist and now you don't want to wear it anymore. Do not worry because I have a perfect solution for this. A solution that comes with a corset detail on the back. So the materials that you need is a top, obviously, some safety pins, and a ribbon. Okay, so what you're going to do is first turn your top inside out. Now you're going to put these safety pins on the back part of your top, just like it's shown in the video. 3 on both sides of the top. Now you turn your top inside out the right way and then you pass your ribbon through it just like you would do in a corset or a shoe, you know, just crisscross pattern. Now you're just going to cinch in the ribbon as much as you want and you have a perfectly fitting top that completely defines your curves, babe. I just love how it fits perfectly on the curves and sits right and it doesn't affect your top. You don't have to sew your top. The next hack is more of like a funky hack, kind of. Well, we're gonna make a button top. This is inspired by some button tops that I saw on Pinterest. Now, I don't have that much level of commitment to fill an entire top with just buttons. I'm not gonna do this, but we are going to add a button detail to our top. But what I chose to do is I just wanted to detail the pocket of a t-shirt. So the materials you need for this are buttons, fabric glue, and any t-shirt of your choice. Usually we would sew the buttons onto your top, but since this is a no sew video, we're not gonna sew it, we're just gonna glue them on with fabric glue. There's nothing that fabric glue can't do, can't stick, okay? So all you gotta do is choose your buttons, whatever button you want, and choose the place you want to design on your top. I just chose the wooden buttons. I just had a few wooden buttons, so I just lined them up on the end of the pocket. Then I just glued them on one by one. All you gotta do after that is let it dry and your shirt, t-shirt, whatever is done. That's it. Literally so easy, isn't it?
But it feels like everything that we wrote went back into the pen we used. Won't take long, even when I'm without you.
You can also design the collar part, the sleeves, or just randomly placed buttons. Now we have a scarf top tutorial. A lot of things that you can do with a scarf. So it's very essential that you have at least one scarf in your wardrobe. The materials that you need for this is a top and a scarf. So to do this, all you gotta do is pass your scarf through your sleeve. Okay, first you pass your scarf and then you just pull it. Do whatever is shown in the video. Okay, follow the video. Then you're gonna take the end of the scarf on one side and wrap it around your arm and just tuck the end into your top. You can also pin it if you want, but I just tucked it in. And you're just going to repeat that on the other sleeve as well. You can drape it as much as you want or as less as you want, depends on you. And your top is done.
Back into the pen we used. Won't take long, even when I'm without you, when I'm without you, babe. So listen up and play along.
I feel like this top with a long skirt and some really cool accessories would look so cute. The next hack I have is also a little for my cool girlies. All of you girlies are cool, okay? So it's for all of you. And this is a hack that even the boys can do actually. So the materials you need for this is a top and safety pins. A lot of safety pins. Do not use satin material, do not use any thin material, and do not do it on any bodycon outfit, like something like this. Do not use a bodycon top. Use any baggy top, any hoodie or something like that. So I wanted to do this butterfly design. Honestly, I just messed up putting the safety pins onto the top a little bit, but if you do it more precisely, it would look way better. I ran out of patience, okay? Midway, I really ran out of patience, so the both sides look a little uneven. If you want something easier, you can make like a star, you can make wings, you can make anything, a letter, you can write something. What you're gonna do is just place the safety pins and see where you want the safety pins to be and what pattern you like. You can also draw it so you know where to exactly put the safety pin on. Is just clip the safety pins on to your top and you are done. You are done. Once you're done with putting all of the safety pins on, you're done. That's your top.
All night, tell me that you're here and feeling up for anything. Ooh, I'm down for anything.
Please use good quality safety pins so they do not come off, because or else you are going to prick yourself. The last hack that we have is the easiest one. A hair clip top. We're not gonna put on our hair clips into our hair. We're gonna put it into our top in this one. You never know what we do with fashion, right? All you need are hair clips and a top. I will recommend you to use a top that is loose, because when you're gonna clip on the hair clips, it's gonna cinch in the place anyways. So if it's a tight top, then the hair clips just will fall off. I used these like small hair clips that had kind of like a rose design on it. You know what to do now. You just have to clip on the hair clips. I just found like a line. I wanted to basically cinch in the waist part because the top was loose on the waist part, so it just forms a cinched in. And then you can also see that it forms like kind of pleats, and that's it. That's the top.
We just roll on till the day's done and the lights gone, and it won't take long. Even when I'm without you, babes, listen up and
Okay, girlies, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked the hacks. Tell me in the comments which hack you're going to try right now, and also tell us how it went. Okay, we want to know. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.